Garlic, a staple of everybody's kitchen. Not only does it have lots of flavour that it brings through into food, but it also has lots of medicinal properties that we can really harness. I use garlic all of the time in my clinic, and I use it all of the time in my kitchen. And this is the classic example of using food as medicine. Now, garlic contains compounds in it that have various effects. They can lower inflammation, which can be beneficial for joint pains and skin complaints and so on. But the compounds can also help with blood circulation and heart health. So if you've got somebody that maybe has high blood pressure or has some sort of cardiovascular problem, garlic can be a really, really good food at trying to optimize the health of that system. Garlic is also fantastic at supporting the liver in its function of detoxification. The liver can harness some of the compounds in garlic, and it can really help the liver to process toxins better. So by making sure that we have garlic in our dishes frequently can be a real benefit. Garlic is also a great food source for your gut bacteria, and we call it a prebiotic. So by eating garlic, we're really enabling those bacteria in our gut to flourish and to subsequently support things like our immune system, and also to support the production of things like vitamins. So they can be really helpful. You can also use garlic for simple infections. In fact, it's a very traditional natural remedy. It's very well known in the natural medicine world that you can, for example, chew on garlic if you've got a dental infection, or if you've got tonsillitis, you can get a raw clove of garlic and try and keep that in the mouth for as long as possible, albeit it's quite potent. You can also put some garlic crushed inside a bottle with some fresh extra virgin olive oil, and you can let the oil infuse with the garlic. You can use that in drops into the ear with an ear infection, which can be a really nice remedy even with kids. One of my best cooking tips with garlic is to crush it at the start of your meal preparation. Because when you crush garlic, if you do this in your kitchen next time, you'll notice that you get that real fragrance, that odour from the garlic. And that's because when you crush it, you activate the enzyme in garlic that really then switches on all those amazing compounds. So I always recommend in the kitchen, crush the garlic or chop the garlic at the start of your preparation to let those amazing nutrients build up in quantity, and then you can use them in cooking. Do note though that garlic can be quite easily destroyed by heat. One of the biggest mistakes people make is they put oil in a pan and they throw the garlic in, it sizzles away and it turns brown. You've basically just lost all of your nutritional properties. So ideally, think about using this in your cooking, but at a slightly lower temperature, and basically don't overcook this in oil because that will then lose the whole benefit of it. So garlic, very versatile, has amazing benefits and properties. It can kill bad bacteria, it can feed good bacteria, it helps the liver, it helps the cardiovascular system, it's anti-inflammatory. What more can I say? Make sure you use it in your kitchen. Thanks for watching this video. I'd like to offer you a free online class. To access this, please click the link below in the description section.